Hi everybody, welcome back to Super Cali Listic. Today I am standing in front of the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel. I'm actually here for a Knott's Scary Farm media preview, and I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to do like a full walkthrough of the hotel, because you guys, you may or may not know about this, but Cedar Fair has plans to completely renovate the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel. The hotel, you guys, will remain open during the construction. Before we head into the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel, don't forget to turn on all notifications so you don't miss out on anything here in Super Cali Land. So right when you walk into the lobby, to your left is check-in, and then to your right is the main lobby. This space is really cool. They often decorate for Halloween and Christmas time. The Amber Waves restaurant is right here across from check-in. So you do want to wait to be seated at the hostess stand, but I'm just walking through really quick just so you guys can see. So this is really fun place to go dining before you head over to Knott's Berry Farm, because you might see a Snoopy wandering around in here, which is pretty cool. This morning they have it set up because I do believe they have like a breakfast buffet. So up here, they have all the breakfast items out currently. There's also a bar here. And if you want to watch some sports. Back here to the left of Amber Waves is a little gift shop. I don't know if it's currently open. It looks like they'll be back at 11:25. So they have a little sign up, but you can get like all the things that you might just need in a pinch without having to leave the Knott's Berry Farm property. Like last night, my eye was really red and irritated, so I got some Visine, etc. They also have some gifts and some refreshments and snacks, even some of the boysenberry cotton candy currently. Before I head up and show you our hotel room, I'm just gonna give you a quick look at the pool. Looks like the pool hours are 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. They do have a jacuzzi, so even in the cooler months, you can come down here and use the jacuzzi. I'm not in my bathing suit, but let's check it out. I don't have my waterproof camera either. Oh yeah, okay, just remember you guys, this water is recirculated. It is not safe to drink, so really watch your kiddos and make sure, especially the little ones, my kids would get sick. They just like kind of, you know, think it's like they could put it in their mouth. Just, you know, be aware. So here's the pool, and there's ample like lounge chairs. There's even some tables in the shade. And then behind us is the hotel. And they do provide towels, so you don't need to bring towels down from your room. There are plenty of towels here for guests, so you can just come down and use these towels, and then be sure to put them in the towel bins when you're done. It looks like there's also a tennis court and a basketball court, which I was not aware of, so maybe just inquire at the front desk. I don't know if they have rackets, tennis balls, or basketballs, but that's pretty cool. During this trip to the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel, we're actually staying on the 3rd floor. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you up and just do a full room tour. All right, you guys, so here's the room. I think I already mentioned this, but we're here for our Knott's Scary Farm event. So this is so perfect, being right next door and having, you know, morning coffee and a place to set up my computer and do some editing. Here's actually my mom. We still have a cookie from last night, a little preview of the spider cookie. It came with a spider ring. So here is the bathroom, just to show you really quick. Pretty basic. Oops. And there were towels, we've used some of them, and a nice warm shower and tub, and then just a little bit of closet space here. You've got your iron and also a safe in case you guys need that for your valuables. And then just a little sink area. So they also have a hair dryer. I mean, it's, again, really quite simple and basic, but we were comfortable and it was really nice. Hi. So this is the last look, you guys, at the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel before they completely renovate the place. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this full walkthrough of the Knott's Berry Farm Hotel. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you later in Super Cali Land. Bye. Sunshine! Super Cali Listic.